Hi, John Giffin here, State Roofing Company out of Houston, Texas, with also a location in College Station, Bryan area. I want to talk to y'all about when you file a claim, especially on a roof claim. A lot of insurance companies are sending out ladder assist people. You know, years ago they used to send out ladder assist people, but the adjuster would climb up the ladder and climb on the roof. This day and time, they're sending out ladder assist people. I won't name the companies because I don't want to get in a defamation suit. But they're sending out these guys to do nothing except walk around and take pictures, and then they send them all back to the desk adjuster. Then the desk adjuster is deciding on what they're going to pay for. I think this is totally fraudulent on the insurance company's fault, because most of the time they end up having to come back out and reinspect anyway, or they're getting getting a hold of one of these attorneys that's saying, okay, we'll just sue the insurance company. That's part of the problem why we're increasing our insurance rates constantly, because all the litigation that goes on. To me, it just sounds real stupid the way the insurance companies are handling this, but I don't own their companies. I don't run them, and they're not the president of them. But I am the owner and founder of State Roofing Company. I don't like dealing with these guys. Doesn't matter what you show them on the roof. Oh, that's a blister. That's something else. That has nothing to do with any hail damage or wind damage to the roof. And then we end up getting in a dispute, which there's no reason for me to dispute with them because they have no authority. Most of them have no ethical or moral standards that are upheld by an insurance adjuster. I suggest that when you file a claim with your insurance carrier, you tell them you want a licensed representative that has been licensed from the state that whatever they're in, Texas, Louisiana, Florida, or wherever. You want a licensed adjuster to climb that roof system. That will settle a lot of issues that are going on in the environment that we're dealing with this day and time. There's a lot of hailstorms, a lot of wind going through, and that didn't even count all the wildfires that are burning everything down. So if y'all got any questions concerning the dispute with your insurance company, or if you think you've been taken advantage of, please call me, John Giffin at State Roofing in Houston, Texas. But there are recourses. I'm not saying that go hire an attorney right off the bat, but be aware. Take care.